Hello class, today we will study about sets and the set theory. Sets. Sets are nothing but a collection of objects. In mathematics, a set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects, and the objects that make up a set are known as the set elements or set members. Sets are conventionally denoted with capital letters, while the set members are denoted by enclosing the list of members in curly brackets. For example, set A consists of members 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set B consists of members red, blue, white, and green. Conversely, we can say that 1, 2, 3, and 4 belongs to set A, while red, blue, white, and green belongs to set B. Now, let's see what is a subset. If every element of set A is also in B, then set A is said to be a subset of set B. In other words, it can also be said that set A is contained in set B. In the example written on the board, set A contains only two members, 1 and 2. Set B contains four members, including 1 and 2, and therefore we can say that set A is a subset of set B. There are some unique kind of sets in set theory: the universal set, the null set, complementary set, and the power set. Universal set. A universal set is a set having a collection of all objects in a particular context or theory. All other sets in that framework constitute subsets of the universal set, which is denoted by an uppercase letter U. For example, in the example written on the board, there are two sets: set A, set of birds which can fly, and set B, a set which contains birds which can't fly. Now, these both sets are the subset of a bigger universal set, U, a set of all the birds. The null set. If there are no members present in a set, it's called an empty set or the null set. The empty set is a subset of every set, and every set is a subset of itself. For example, in the first set mentioned on the board, contains all the even numbers, which are odd. Since no such number exists, therefore, it's an empty or a null set. Similarly, there are no natural numbers exist between 1 and 2, therefore, second set is also a null set. The complement of a set. The complement of a set A is the set of all elements that are in the universal set U, but are not in set A. For example, set U is the universal set of complete animals kingdom, while subset A contains only birds. So the complement of set A would be all the animals in the universal set, excluding all the birds. The power set. The power set of any set A is defined as a set which contains all subsets of set A. The power set of a finite set with n elements has 2 raised to the power of n elements. Students, we will continue our session in the next part of this video. So, please stay tuned with us. Goodbye.